Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It has been a hot minute and we are going to unbox this gorgeous Chanel bag. It is not a black bag, guys, and it's not the typical styles from Chanel. This is slightly different. It's kind of a small bag, but it's not tiny. Oh my god, the color is gorgeous. It's like this camel colored, beautiful, it's like a distressed leather. You can kind of see with the gold hardware, and the chain is really interesting. It's like got leather through it. Don't know if you can see that. So really detailed strap, and the sides have the CC in there. There is nothing on the bottom and there is no pocket at the back. That sort of tells you kind of how small it is. It's not like as small as a Mini Kelly or some other Chanel bags, but like I think the Chanel, the flat bag with the top handle, that one's I think smaller than this. But yeah, I thought this size was really interesting and just a really simple design. Just one open pocket and obviously the CC Chanel zipper pull, and also the Chanel inside, which you can't really see. It's really hard to kind of get in there. There are the star screws as well here up the top. And I'll put the name of this bag on screen, guys. I can't remember what it's called. If it has a fancy name or if it's just like a crossbody flat bag, I don't know. I'll just put it on screen after I do some research so you guys can have a look. But yeah, quite soft, but not as soft as like the 19. So it's still got a little bit of structure. I think it'll wear quite nicely, to be honest. The distressed leather is interesting. It kind of looks used. You can see it a little bit more here. Interesting. I always love this color. I find this color super versatile in my wardrobe. It tends to go with so much. I think maybe because I'm a neutral girl that I just tend to have a lot of bags that, a lot of outfits that match this bag. But yes, so there you go. I will show you some mod shots a little bit later on. There is no top handle and just the shoulder strap. Now I will say it is not a very long shoulder strap, so it is only just a crossbody. It's a very, very short crossbody, and you guys know I am a shorty as well. So if you are tall, you probably are not going to be able to wear this crossbody. But I am also wearing a really thick, oversized jacket. So maybe if like in summer, you might be able to if you're wearing less clothes. Remember guys that if you want details on this bag or any of the bags you see behind me, you need to subscribe to my magazine. There'll be a link on screen as well as in the description box down below. All right, we're getting into the comparisons now, and I'm going to do quite a few because I want you guys to understand this sizing is a little bit unusual. So the first comparison I'm going to do is with the Mini Kelly. Now, they don't look far off when you're looking at them like this, but in actual fact, I would say the Chanel bag is a size up from this Mini Kelly. The Mini Kelly, you guys know, you can barely fit anything because of this A-frame side. So yeah, this sort of shows you this is really, really small. This, you can't even put a wallet in this bag, whereas this one you could definitely put a wallet. You could probably put one of those big long wallets as well as a couple of other things. Okay, the second comparison I want to do is the wallet on chain by Chanel. You think these are looking similar, they're not. I don't think they are at all. I'm trying to remove the strap so you guys can see the sides. I mean, this also looks like it's a size up from the wallet on chain. You kind of see there. I think that it might actually fit inside. Am I right? Am I right? No. But, I mean, it's close. But yes. The next comparison I want to do is with the Gucci Marmont. This is in the smaller size, so the 23 centimeter, not the 26 or 25, whatever it is. to give you guys a bit of an idea, these are really comparable. I think the size and the capacity are nearly identical in these two bags. You can kind of see that there. And, you know, let's look at the bases as well, so you guys can get an understanding. I mean, is the Gucci bag a little bit bigger? No, because the Chanel bag's a little bit taller. So you kind of have to, I actually think they're identical in size, personally. Now, the next comparison I want to do is a bag that I think is actually also the same size, which is this one. I can't remember what this one's called, guys. I've got a mind blank. I think it's just a flat bag with hard handle, something like that. So you can kind of see they are uber similar. Is that the right word? You can kind of see there, the side profile looks very, very similar. This is like an accordion free pocket, but it actually isn't on the inside. It's just one, but it just looks like it's accordion, if that makes sense. Let me show you what I mean. So see that? It's like a fake accordion. So it's just one bucket with a funny side design. But yes, very, very similar. The thing about this one is it opens out really large, whereas this one doesn't. It's just a pocket. It's just one little flap. And then if I open this one again so you guys can see, this is like, oh, where's my lipstick? There it is. It's like right. It's actually a really, really functional bag, which is why I have this in black as well, because I just love how functional it is. It's also got the hard handle. I love that. You can tuck in the strap so that you can just take it out to dinner. Absolutely love this bag. I'm going to see if I'm going to wear this one, guys, because it doesn't have a top handle, but we will see. Now, the other bags like the BB Capucines and a couple of others, I feel like are quite large compared to this bag. So I didn't think it was a good comparison. So I've just sort of compared it to those smaller size bags, if that makes sense. Now, if you are loving this video, please subscribe to my channel. I do 2 videos a week on Tuesdays and Thursdays, and I have hundreds and hundreds of videos on bags. Let's head into the mod shots now. I'm super casual today, but I just thought I'd wear some neutral clothes to give some neutral vibes. It is absolutely freezing here at the moment in Australia. We are right in the middle of winter. It is on the verge of snowing, and so that's why I have completely rugged up, because I absolutely hate the cold. So I'm just wearing boots, a little fleecy jacket and turtleneck, and I thought that, you know, might go. I wish I had some lighter clothes that match this, but I didn't think too hard about it today, so hopefully this will give you an idea. Obviously you can handhold this, but the strap is there, so I tend not to do that when the strap is this chunky. So I will show you this bag on the shoulder and how low it sits. I reckon it's a perfect shoulder bag. It's not a great crossbody because I feel like the strap is not long enough, but it's a great just over the shoulder bag. So that's one way I'd wear it, and then I'd wear it crossbody if I really had to. Now, bearing in mind, guys, it is a super short crossbody. It is a really short crossbody, and I wouldn't recommend it if you are plus size like me, or if you are wearing bulky items like in winter, for example. It's probably not going to fit. In summer with a dress, it's probably okay. So, you know, keep that in mind. If you guys are crossbody wearers and you really want a bag that you can crossbody all the time, this is probably not it, because there are heaps of other bags that crossbody way better than this one. So just keep that in mind. But if you don't mind and you just want something cute and you love the size to me is what really stands out about this bag. It's small, but it is not tiny. I cannot stand bags that are so tiny that you can't even fit all your essential items like wallet, keys, phone, a little bit of lipstick. If you can't fit those items, I mean, what are we doing? What are we doing? So I love that this fits all my essential items in it. Also love the size, super cute. If you wear heaps of stuff, I would probably classify this as a large, small bag, if that makes any sense. It's not a small bag. It's probably a small, medium bag or a large, small bag, if that makes sense. It's an in between a small and a medium. So there you go. Well, there you go, guys. Short and sweet today. I hope you love this bag. The finishes and the quality and the hardware are absolutely exceptional. I think this bag is going to go a long way, and the color is just stunning. This neutral color vibe is just, I just love it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you next time in my next video. Bye for now.